This guide provides troubleshooting methods to address the pictures not downloading in iMessage iOS 17.16.15 problem. By following these steps, users can resolve the issue and enjoy a seamless iMessage experience on their iPhone. Part 1. Why aren't pictures loading in iMessage? iMessage is a popular app for iPhone users to send various multimedia messages, including pictures. However, encountering issues like pictures not downloading in iMessage iOS 16.17 is not uncommon and can be caused by several factors. Part 2. How to fix pictures not downloading in iMessage 10 tips. Tip 1. Reload iMessage. When updating to the latest version of iOS, it's recommended to restart apps for optimal performance. Tip 2. Check your network settings. If iPhone won't download pictures and text messages, it could be due to a weak network connection on your iPhone. Tip 3. Free up storage space on the device. If your iPhone storage is full, it can affect iMessage's ability to download pictures or other attachments. Other apps may also malfunction, and your device may become sluggish due to insufficient storage space. Tip 4. Ensure iMessage is enabled. If you've inadvertently disabled iMessage, it might be causing issues with its functionality. Tip 5. Check for parental controls or restrictions. Parental controls or restrictions on iPhones allow parents to manage app usage on their children's devices, including limiting the time spent on iMessage. Tip 6. Re-enable messages from iCloud. Re-enabling iCloud messages can help resolve issues with iMessage access to your iCloud. Tip 7. Sign out and into Apple ID. If you're encountering issues with pictures not downloading in iMessage, it could be due to a problem with your Apple ID. To address this, you can sign out and then sign back into your Apple ID. Tip 8. Allow iMessage to use cellular data. You may encounter issues with iMessage not downloading pictures on your iPhone. If the low data mode is enabled, restricting app usage of cellular data. Tip 9. Update iOS. When iOS bugs and glitches occur, it's best to update the iOS system if over-the-air OTA updates are available for your iPhone. Tip 10. Restore device to factory settings. To address the persistent issue of pictures not downloading in iMessage iOS 16, you can attempt restoring the device to factory settings as a final measure. Bonus: how to back up iPhone messages for safety. It's essential to back up your iPhone data, especially crucial files containing personal information, like message conversations. A reliable tool such as Mobikin Assistant for iOS provides a straightforward method to transfer various data types. How to back up messages from your iPhone using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Select the files you need. Step 3. Back up iPhone text messages.